Nike has given us yet again another special holiday-themed Air Force One, and this one in particular has some pretty special details. In the past, we've seen heaps of different holiday-themed Air Force Ones. We're talking Christmas, Halloween, and today we're taking a look at the Air Force One Valentine's Day. We have a special box, which is always a welcome addition to any kind of themed pair of sneakers. So as you can see, it's an all over white box, pretty plain, and on the front you have the Nike logo, but you can see above that air there's a little heart. But overall it is just a white box with the red branding just on the top. So what we're going to do is pull these out and take a look. There's also some special paper with a text which I think says forever a love or love a forever. But either way, pulling out the pair of shoes for today, we have the Air Force One Valentine's Day. And here we have it, the Air Force One Valentine's Day. In the box you get an extra pair of red laces, which again will match up with the Nike swoosh and other elements on this pair of shoes. Now to be clear, there was 3 other Air Force Ones, all with the Valentine's Day themes. We had an all white one with pretty much just a small little red heart towards the back. We had another all white one which had a love text inside of the swoosh and was kind of in a pink color. Then we had like a maroon and white Air Force One, or a very dark red and white Air Force One, and that one also had that pink love text inside of the Nike swoosh. However, I definitely believe that these actually stole the day. These were by far the most detailed and I guess probably the best looking out of the whole lot. Not to mention that people are comparing this one to the Strange Love Nike Dunks that released earlier, so there's also that. These released on the 6th of February here in the EU. However, unfortunately for the US, these are going to be only releasing on February the 13th. Considering Valentine's Day is on the 14th, it's a little bit annoying that they're dropping on the 13th because nobody's going to get their pairs in till after Valentine's Day. Considering these were designed for Valentine's Day, yeah, I think they're not going to appreciate that. Nike has done this plenty of times, and I kind of wish that they would release their holiday themed shoes like a week in advance so that everybody can get their pairs in for that specific day. These retail for £115 here in the UK and $130 out in the US. Now, like I said, Nike did put a lot of effort into the details that are on this shoe. There's a lot of little small things that kind of all elude or depict the Valentine's Day holiday. Now, along with those details, they also made it a very nice premium feeling pair of Air Force Ones. A very soft feeling leather material that spans the toe box as well as the medial and lateral portions. Suede feels really, really good, and of course that covers all of the pink portions of the shoe, wrapping around the toe box, acting as the mud guard, the eye stays, and towards the back of the sneaker. The Nike swoosh is also made up of leather, and it comes in a red color, and the sock liner sticks with pretty much the same kind of mesh material that you would find on any regular Air Force One. Of course, this wouldn't be a Valentine's Day Air Force One without all of the little Valentine's Day themed details that are on this pair of shoes. So I guess to start off with, if you take a look at the toe box, I think this is my favorite little element because it's so unexpected. Well, all of the perforation holes that are punched through that leather are all shaped in a heart. You also have two of those punched holes again in the heart shape just underneath the Nike swoosh on both the lateral and the medial side. At the top of the tongue you get a little patch which is designed like a love letter or a Valentine's Day card, and if you open, well, I guess this left shoe up, you can see, and inside it reads AF1, it has the Nike swoosh and it says forever. Now over on this right shoe it's the same thing except it says true love since '82. Again, Nike just kills it on these holiday Air Force Ones. They really know how to add these special little details that make the shoe. Over on the back heel tab, you can see there is the Nike Air branding, and again, just above that Air, there is a little heart that replaces the little dot that you would find on an eye. The insoles are mismatched. One is red and the other one is pink. Again, just a nice little addition to the shoe. And of course, you have the Nike Air branding just like it has on the box. I think these would work super well if you were giving someone the gift of this Air Force One on Valentine's Day, and just in general, if whether you're wearing them or you're gifting them, I think it's an awesome Air Force One. Now, in terms of the resale on this pair of shoes, well, it really depends on what size you want. Of course, these did sell out, and the smaller sizes are going for the most amount of money, almost about double the retail price. And if you look towards the bigger sizes, well, those are only going about 10 to 20 bucks over that retail price. But again, whether you're going to rock these or you're going to gift them to someone on the day, I think these are made to feel really special. The materials way surpass any other average Air Force One. The details on it make it extra special. So I think all in all, this is a solid holiday themed Air Force One. And as for sizing, the Air Force One fits me true to size, so that is what I'd recommend. So if you have tried on an Air Force One, just go that exact same size. But with all that being said, that pretty much wraps it up for the Valentine's Day Air Force One. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Of course, let me know what you guys think about this pair of shoes, and thank you so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.